Opsub Integration Manager, OIM, an enterprise-class integration solution that facilitates bidirectional integration for best-of-breed tools and offers complete transaction history, end-to-end traceability, enhanced visibility, multiple deployment options, real-time data synchronization, rich text and customized mapping, and easy failure recovery. Opsub Integration Manager can be installed on a range of operating systems, including Windows and Linux. Silent installation of Opsub Integration Manager on a Linux machine is simple and requires minimal access. To install or upgrade OIM on a Linux machine, users need to first register themselves with Opsub and then proceed with the process. Here we are executing a silent installation of OIM on a Linux software. Before starting the process, ensure the zip files are extracted and kept in a folder in the Linux machine with full access. Create an empty directory with full access. This should not be inside the installation directory. And export the path of the empty directory to Opsub temp data. If you are executing a silent installation, make sure you have provided the same path for Opsub temp data as provided during the silent registration. To install OIM on a Linux machine, you need to register yourself by following the steps shown in the video before proceeding with the installation. Make sure that the installation directory is empty and not the same as Opsub temp data. Fill in all details like name, company name, and email ID. The file name should reflect the name of the installer or migrator zip without extension. In this case, OIM and Linux as shown in the video. The installation directory is where you want to install OIM. Once all details are filled, run the registration. Share the registration zip file details with the Opsub Community Manager to receive the code for installation. Here we can see the XML file which needs to be updated as per the requirement. Keep the XML file in a folder. Here we can see the XML files are updated with MySQL database, which users can change as per their requirement. Here we are setting an environment variable Opsub auto install on the installation instance. The value of variable is the path to the Opsub auto install XML file. The file can be named as per the user's choice. Navigate back to the folder where the installation file is kept. Now, execute the installation file as all the prerequisites are complete. This completes the demo. Thanks for watching.